Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix new login location detected in Discord mobile app. Let's get started. First, check your email. When Discord detects new login location, it sends a confirmation email to the address linked to your Discord account. So open your mail, app, or Gmail, whichever you use, and look for an email from Discord. Open that email and look for the button that says verify login. Tap on it. This tells Discord the login is safe. After that, go back to the Discord app and log in again. You will now be able to access your account normally. If you didn't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Make sure you are checking the correct email account linked to your Discord. Tap resend email on the Discord login screen if the option is there. Still not think, you might need to wait a few minutes or try logging in again to trigger the email. If Discord keeps blocking your login, try connecting to a familiar Wi-Fi network like your home network. Public or unusual network can make Discord thinks it's suspicious. And that's it. Once you verify your login through email, you should be able to use Discord again on your phone with no problem. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.